Hello student, in last video I explained float type conversion function in Python. Now in this video I will explain third type conversion function, that is complex. Now we can use complex type conversion function to convert other data type values to complex data type. Now there are two forms of complex function. Form 1. Now this form of complex function takes only one argument. Now we can use this function to convert passed argument into complex number with real part as a passed argument and imaginary part as a zero. Means if we are passing any value or argument to this complex function, so that value will be considered as a real part of complex number, and by default 0 will be considered as a imaginary part. Now see the example, complex of 10. Now here 10 is an integer value, so it will be converted into complex as a 10 as a real part and 0 as a imaginary part, and we get output as a 10 plus 0j. Then complex of 10.5. Now 10.5 is a floating point value, so it will be converted into complex number as a 10.5 as a real value and 0 as a imaginary value, so we get output as a 10.5 plus 0j. Then complex of true. Now true is a boolean value and Python interpreter will take true as a 1 internally. So 1 will be converted into complex as a 1 as a real part and 0 as a imaginary part. So we get output as a 1 plus 0j. Then complex of false. Again false is a boolean value and Python interpreter will take false as a 0, so there will be no real part in this complex conversion, so we get output as a 0j. Now whenever we are trying to convert a string data type to complex data type, compulsory string should be either in an integer or floating or a complex literal, and should be specified only in a base 10. Means if we are converting a string value to a complex value, then that string value must be a integer literal or floating point literal or a complex literal. Okay, and if it is an integer literal, then it should be specified in a base 10 only. Now see the example, complex of 10. Now 10 is an integer literal and it is specified in a base 10, so it will be converted into complex and we get output as a 10 plus 0j. The next line, complex of 10.5. Now 10.5 is a floating point literal, then it will be converted into complex and we get output as a 10.5 plus 0j. Then complex of 10 plus 6j. Now this is a string, this is a complex literal, so it will be converted into a complex number and we get output as a 10 plus 6j. Then complex of 10. Now 10 is a not a integer literal, it is not a floating point literal, and it is not a complex literal, so we get output as a value error, complex argument is malform string. Now we'll see the form 2. Now this type of form, it takes two arguments. Okay, so we can use this method to convert argument 1 and argument 2 into complex number, such that argument 1 will be considered as a real part of complex number and argument 2 will be considered as a imaginary part of complex number. Now see the example, complex 10 comma minus 2. Now 10 will be the real part of complex number and minus 2 will be the imaginary part of complex number. Now if we are executing this line, we get output as a 10 minus 2j. Then complex of true comma false. So we know that internally true is treated as a 1 and false is treated as a 0. So 1 comma 0. So we get output as a 1 plus 0j. Now related to this form 2, there are two rules in a Python. So in complex form 2 function, if first argument is a string, then second argument is not allowed. Means if first argument is a string, then second argument is not allowed in a form 2. So now see the example, complex of 10 comma 5. Now here first argument is a string, then and second argument is integer, but if first argument is string, then second argument is not allowed, and if we are trying to write this statement, we get error, type error, complex can't take second argument if first is a string. Then another rule, in complex form 2, you can't take second argument as a string. Okay, so you can't take second argument as a string. Now see the example, complex of 5 comma 10. Now 10 is specified in a string format. Okay, so we get a type error, complex second argument can't be a string. Okay, so this is all about complex type conversion function. So we'll stop here. Thank you.